Good morning. It's very exciting to be here. 2016 is very special for Intel. Andy Grove, our former CEO and chairman, left us in March. Andy will always be remembered for helping build Intel into one great company of our time, and especially for transforming Intel from a memory to a microprocessor company. We all know his passion for silicon technologies. You may not know his vision for data. He made a comment a while back that analytics will be the #1 workload in the data center by 2020. Analytics enriches people's lives and improves business efficiency and performance. We're committed to making analytics faster, easier, and more insightful. We believe Spark is at the center of the analytics revolution. Intel has been one earliest and strongest member of Spark community. Over the last few years, we have been working continuously to optimize Spark on Intel platform for much improved performance and security. We made great contribution to Spark open source, such as feature enhancement, security enhancement, and enterprise readiness. We created and open-sourced new Spark-based projects like TAB, the trusted analytics platform. We built large-scale, distributed machine learning capabilities and analytics on Spark for many of our customers. In the next few minutes, we can take a closer look at what Intel has been doing in all these different areas. At the infrastructure level, we have been working rigorously with silicon innovation. Just this week, we launched Xeon E7 V4 family, which delivers the world's fastest system for real-time analytics. And prior to that, we announced 3D XPoint, which will deliver non-volatile memory speed that's 1,000 times faster than NAND. And with OmniPath architecture, you can scale your workloads to tens of thousands of nodes at a price that's competitive with today's fabrics. How can such silicon advancement help Spark? We have a few recent examples. Our customer achieved a 7x performance improvement for its Spark workload when moving from the old generation of Intel hardware to the new generation. This includes migrating from the old generation of Xeon server to new generation, adding Intel SSDs, and using our 10G network technology. Another example, when integrating with Intel-optimized math kernel library, Spark machine learning workloads can improve their performance by at least 2x. A third example, when adding one Intel SSD to a server with 7 HDDs and scaling it out to the entire cluster, our customer achieved 20% performance improvement for its Spark workloads. On top of that, we added the hierarchical storage management solution that furthered the performance improvement to 70%. So now customer has a performance that's similar to that of in-memory cache, but at a much lower price. We recently open-sourced that work back to Spark. Last but not least, when using AES-NI, the security instruction set from Intel Silicon, Spark Shuffle RPC encryption can improve its performance by 35% for Terasort and by 12% for Big Bench, which reflects the end-to-end performance improvement. In Spark open source, we have been heavily engaged in almost all Spark projects. from Spark Core and now Tungsten, Spark Streaming, Spark SQL, to MLlib, Spark R, and GraphX. We focus on stability and scalability improvement, security enhancement, feature enhancement, and performance improvement. Especially for machine learning, we helped several major customers to improve their Spark-based machine learning algorithms, expanding their model scalability by 10x to 70x, reduce the model training cycle by 8x. We open-sourced that work to MLlib and Spark. We created Spark-based projects like TAP for accelerating cloud-native analytics application development. We lead industry's performance benchmark standardization, such as TPC Big Bench. We provided benchmarking solutions for Spark community to consistently assess its performance and opportunities, driving continuous improvement. In analytics space, we have been working closely with many of our industry partners and customers to accelerate Spark-based machine learning and analytics deployment on Intel platform, turning visions into solutions. We provided payment company with end-to-end machine learning pipeline with convolutional neural network integrated. We accelerated the convergence speed of the neural network by more than 30x through a combination of new stochastic algorithm and Intel-optimized math kernel library. We supported internet company with improved LDA algorithm for topic modeling, expanded its model scalability by 70x, that's 70x. Now the customer can handle model training with millions of topics and millions of vocabulary and hundreds of millions of documents. Through TAP, several medical institutes created their analytics applications quickly, detecting 20% more patients for heart failure and discover patients that are 5 times more likely to be readmitted to hospitals, improving patient experience. Moving forward, we're expanding into a few new areas. There is a clear trend that our customers are no longer satisfied with just back-end analytics solution. With the fast evolution of Internet of Things and connected devices, we need to deliver end-to-end real-time analytics, bring information and a decision together instantly. We're working on a few projects, such as collaborative cancer cloud, genomics analytics, and smart transportation projects. Another big ask from our customer is on model scalability for machine learning. Our customers face the challenge of training their models with large volume of data, large number of parameters, large number of training samples. We're using Spark to scale out machine learning on Intel platform, and we're making very good progress with several major customers. And of course, training cycle time reduction is another item. We're optimizing performance for mainstream deep learning frameworks using Intel hardware and Intel optimized math kernels. We're very proud to be one early member and a strong member of Spark community. We will continue our active contribution and close collaboration in this area. If you're interested in knowing more, please visit our website or come to our booth. Our Women in Big Data Forum also hosts lunch today at Imperial Ballroom, and it's open to everybody. So with that, thank you very much.